Aren't they just beautiful? They're my Lal-Shag, looking absolutely gorgeous, ready to be harvested and eaten. These leaves are looking fantastic. This can mean only one thing. It's allotment 25. Welcome everyone. As good as these leaves are looking, as much as I want to take them home today with me, today is not the day. Look at these tomatoes. These are looking ready and ripe. But again, today is not the day for tomatoes either. Let me show you what we're here for. Why don't you come with me? Let's go for a little quick walk. Check out the sangari. Looking great. Leaves and vines everywhere. Right to the top. Fantastic. But let me give you a quick update with what the Fathi Laows are doing. Have a look at these young ones. Can you see that? That's a young one. I've got quite a few. That's another young one. I think these two have potential to grow. There's another one there. I think that one's going to be okay. That should mature. But the little ones like that, even that one there, they're in danger. But we will try our best. Let me show you inside. So inside the sangari we have more. As you can see here, this one, like I said, it's an infant, but looks like that's going to develop. The slightly smaller ones, they're always in danger. I've got quite a few up there. Can you see them? Couple there. A few more there. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over here. And as I just walk in a little bit more, I don't know if you can see that one there. Yep, I think that's going to survive. Touch wood. That's another one looking slightly in danger. But as always, I'll try my best. I'll check out the cucumbers. Looking great. This particular plant, look, it's grown from there. Oh my God, look at all these cucumbers at the bottom. It's gone from there, all these cucumbers, and it's gone right to the top of the sangari. And I believe, I can't see from here, but there are some young ones right at the top. I got more down here, let me show you. These are the other plants, and they're all ready for harvest, but not today. Today is about something else. One of my viewers reached out to me via my sister, and they've made a special request. They've asked whether I can harvest some of the seeds from these cucumbers, especially this plant, because it's been so good. First of all, I would like to thank you for reaching out and supporting me. I really appreciate it. And absolutely, I will definitely be harvesting the seeds from these, and I'll be sharing them with you. Okay, I'm going to come back another day for these cucumbers. But let me take you for a little walk to why we're here. The creme de la creme is literally just around the corner. Let me take you around the sangari. Here we are, guys. Check out this Fathi Laow. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's gone massive. From there to there. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So I'm going to be harvesting this today. Taking it home. Hopefully, I'm going to be sharing this with, again, friends and family, as well as enjoying it for ourselves as well. Let me grab my gloves and scissors, and we'll take that off the vine. I think one snip should do the trick. Let's do it. I need to be careful as well because it's quite heavy. I don't want to drop it. And the vine is so strong. There we go. Look at that. My first Fathi Laow. Right, let's come out of here so you can see this in its full glory. Let me just put it down on the floor. Look at that, guys. Isn't that just beautiful? I'm so proud. My first Bangladeshi Fathi Laow. Thank you. I'm so grateful. I'll also upload updates on my Instagram page. It's at allotment.25. So please continue to show me your love and support on that platform as well. But isn't that just great? I'm also here for one other thing. Let me show you. Let me give you an update as well. I'm here for the Mishti Kodus. Here's one. You've probably noticed the vine is absolutely gone. Look, it's dead. I'm not really sure how that's happened or why that's happened. But there's a few of them out here that are like that. Here's another one. Look at that. The vine is gone. This one, the vine is on its way. So there are a few down here that are like that. So what I've decided, even though they're not the largest, I'm going to take these home with me today as well and share them out with friends, families and viewers. I have another variety that's also growing here. Let me give you a quick update on those as well. They're just down here. Let me just move these. There we go. So at first I thought they were going to be a Bangladeshi type. That's what I was led to believe. But they look more like butternut squash to me. I've got a few growing here. Look at that, guys. And another one right next to it. Right, let's start harvesting some of these Mishti Kodus. Let's start off with this one. This is actually a decent sized one. I think it's probably the largest one. By the way, on one of the previous videos, I took one of the Mishti Kodus home. Even though it's small in size, it was so sweet. We cooked it with lamb. It was absolutely awesome. Right, let's cut this. Done. Wow. Not bad at all, is it? Let's have a look at you in the sunlight. Yep. Right, one down. How many more to go? It's like a treasure hunt. There you go. Let's get this one. And still, I'm none the wiser why these vines have died. If anyone does know the answer, maybe you can tell me in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. But let's go for it. That's two. There you go. Where's that third one over there? Number three, guys. Yeah, they're small, but I'm pretty sure they're going to be sweet. Like I said, the one I took home last time was sweet, so I don't see why this one shouldn't be sweet. Any more? Ah, one right next to me. Wow, look at the state of the vine on this one. Look at that. I guess they just don't have the power in them anymore to sustain them. They've done the best. I've done my best, and that's all we can aim to do. Awesome. Let's go inside the plot. I can see there's a few in there that are potential ready for harvest. I'm going to mind the vines so I don't step on them. Don't want to cause any more damage than or pressure that they're already under. As you can see here, let me just move that. There you go, that's a fairly decent one as well. There's two here. And look at the vine, absolutely demolished. Right, let's take these. One snip, two snip. Oh, actually, it's not ready to let go. Needs another snip in the middle. There we go. Actually, that's a decent sized one, isn't it? Yep. Let's just put you here and grab the other one. Not too bad, is it, guys? Can you see? The sun is out. It's making it a bit of a challenge to see things today. The Mishti Kodu treasure hunt is done. And look at all these treasures that I've managed to get. Absolutely gorgeous. All sizes. But I'm pretty sure they're all going to be lovely and sweet. So many. How many we got here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 Mishti Kodu. Plus one butterfly. I don't know if you saw it or not. There she is. Thank you for taking care of my allotment. I've got that lovely Fathi Laow over there. And at the same time, guys, boom, look at that. Beautiful butternut squash. There's 3 of them. Awesome. I actually left a few still on the vine. There was about 3 or 4 that were still fairly young, and the vines actually looked healthy. So I thought, you know what, let's leave them for a few more weeks and let's see what happens. But I am so grateful for all of this. Before I call it a day on my harvest, there's actually one more thing I want. Why don't you come with me? You're gonna love these guys. They're just round here. I don't know if they're ready or not, but the vines are also gone on these ones. It's my melons. Look at that. I think this particular one had it. As you can see, someone's beaten me to it. They've enjoyed this before me. What can you do, eh? And there's a few more here as well. So I'm going to take these off and just hope for the best. I would have preferred to have seen them slightly larger, but what can you do? That's nature. If they've worked, great. If not, next year we'll give it another go. Right, let's cut these. The first melons of allotment 25. Wow. It looks like something you would actually buy from the shops. The other ones rolled away from me. Yeah, let's just place them here. Let's get these 2 as well. Let's cut it here. Lovely. Look at all these blessings. I've got what, 8 melons there. Whether they're ready or not, we don't know. We will find out when we go home, but nevertheless, there's still blessings. We got all of these Mishti Kodus. We got butternut squash. And then to round off all these blessings, that beautiful Fathi Laow. Thank you. Please continue to show me your love and support with a like, share and subscribe. As always guys, let's continue to grow together. I'm not ready for you to go yet. I've got 2 more surprises. I think you're gonna love this. It's just down here. Any ideas what this is? This is the latest addition to Allotment 25. Take a guess. No? Shall I tell you? Go on then, I'll tell you. It's a banana plant. Absolutely. Yes, a banana plant. Here in the United Kingdom. Yes, I'm sure you've noticed one leaf here has not fared well. But that's alright, that will die and more will grow. This particular leaf is brand new. But yeah guys, isn't that just great? Latest addition to Allotment 25 is a banana plant. Just before I let you go, I want to give you one sunny update. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's a sunny day. The sun is out. And the Allotment 25 sunflower that was damaged in the wind. Look at that. Looking beautiful. On this sunny note, I'm going to say goodbye to you. Once again, thank you very much for joining me here at Allotment 25. Please continue to show your love and support. Until next time, please look after yourself. Take care. All the best. Goodbye.